A great new hire can still drift in their first 3 months. Usually it isn't the person, it's onboarding with no plan. This is the 30, 60, 90 Onboarding Plan Workbook from Ardent Workshop, a manager's tool that turns those first 90 days into a plan you and every new starter can actually see. A 30, 60, 90 plan splits the first quarter into 3 phases. Days 1 to 30 are for learning and getting set up. Days 31 to 60 are for starting to contribute and building relationships. And days 61 to 90 are for owning the work and growing. Every milestone gets an owner, a definition of done, and a target date. At the heart of the workbook is the Onboarding Tracker. Every new hire down the side, 15 headline milestones across the top, grouped by phase. Pick a status in each cell, and the board colors itself and works out a completion percentage for every person. All your new starters on one board at a glance. The dashboard is the view that tells you who needs your attention. Enter each hire's start date, and it works out which phase they're in, how far through they are, and whether they're on track, behind, or blocked. Because it uses today's date, it updates itself, so a hire who slips shows up before day 90, not after. For each new starter, you get a detailed 30, 60, 90 plan. Every goal has a category, an owner, a clear definition of done, and a target date, so nothing is vague and nothing is ownerless. It comes pre-filled with a worked example. Just duplicate the tab and make it yours for each hire. You never start from a blank page. The Milestone library gives you ready-made onboarding milestones, grouped by phase and category, each with a definition of done and a suggested owner. Pick the ones that fit the role, drop them into the plan, and edit the wording to match your team. It's more than a template. 4 PDF guides walk you through the method, writing a milestone worth tracking, running the check-ins, and reading the dashboard. And you own the whole file outright. No seats, no monthly fee, no onboarding platform holding your team's data. Reuse it for the next hire and share it however your policy allows. It works in Excel, Google Sheets, and LibreOffice, with a one-click copy for sheets, no importing. It's an instant download. Find it on Ardent Workshop and on Etsy, and give every new hire a real plan instead of a shrug. Ardent Workshop, tools for the modern team.